Meat substitutes date back to 206 BC, when tofu was the primary meat alternative. Over time, their popularity increased, and today, plant-based alternatives to meat are so popular that they have grown into a $5.6 billion industry. One way vegan meat is produced is through 3D printing. This process can produce steaks, fish, or any other sort of structured meat product. So how do they do it? 3D printed vegan meat is a relatively new and emerging technology that combines 3D printing techniques with plant-based ingredients to create meat-like structures, similar to traditional vegan meat production. The first step involves selecting plant-based ingredients that can provide the desired texture, flavor, and nutritional profile. Protein and fat, along with the juiciness and aroma, are vital components that give traditional meat its identity. Each of these components is reproduced from scratch. Plant-based ingredients rich in protein are selected, such as legumes, grains, and various seeds. These ingredients serve as the primary source of protein. In the formulation, the selected plant-based ingredients undergo processing techniques to extract protein. This can involve grinding, soaking, or heating, followed by separation methods like filtration or centrifugation to isolate the protein from other components. Depending on the desired texture and functionality, the isolated plant-based protein can be modified or treated using techniques like eating, extrusion, or denaturation. These processes help to alter the protein structure, lending to improved functionality and the ability to form meat-like structures. Next up is fat, and its common sources include plant oils such as coconut, sunflower, or canola oil, fats derived from nuts or seeds, and emulsifiers that help create stable fat structures. Emulsification is a crucial step in replicating the structure and functionality of fat. Plant-based fats are mixed with emulsifiers, such as lecithin or gums, to create a stable emulsion. Emulsifiers help blend water and fat together, preventing separation and providing a creamy or fatty mouthfeel. To mimic the structure of fat, plant-based ingredients can be processed using structuring techniques. These techniques involve manipulating the ingredients to form fat-like structures such as droplets or globules. Ensuring an adequate moisture content in the 3D printed vegan meat is crucial for creating a juicy texture. Plant-based ingredients with higher water holding capacity, such as certain proteins or fibers, can be incorporated into the formulation to retain moisture during cooking. Certain plant-based ingredients, such as hydrocolloids or starches, can help bind and retain moisture within the 3D printed vegan meat. These ingredients can create a gel-like structure that holds water, contributing to the juiciness and succulence of the final product. Finally, heme is incorporated into the mix. Heme is an iron-containing molecule found in animal muscle tissue and is responsible for the characteristic taste and aroma of meat. While heme is predominantly found in animal sources, it can also be produced through fermentation using genetically engineered yeast. The formulated mixture is loaded into a 3D printer, which consists of a computer-controlled extrusion system. The printer is programmed with a digital model or design of the desired meat structure. The printer's nozzle extrudes the plant-based paste, layer by layer, following the design specifications. The 3D printer deposits the plant-based material in precise layers, building up the desired meat-like structure. The printer can create complex geometries and intricate patterns, allowing for the replication of the texture and appearance of conventional meat. Once the 3D printing is complete, the printed meat structure may undergo post-processing steps. These steps can include curing or setting the material to enhance its texture, drawing or dehydration to remove excess moisture, and potentially applying heat or cooking methods to improve flavor and overall product characteristics. After the printing and post-processing steps, the 3D printed vegan meat structure may be seasoned or flavored to enhance its taste. This can involve applying marinades, sauces, or other flavoring agents to mimic the flavors associated with meat. Artificial meat is not a significant component of the meat industry, but with investors like Bill Gates backing research and startups, that is about to change. In fact, research predicts that by 2054, plant-based meat will command 1/3 of the global meat market.